Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja Dhingra. Welcome back to my channel. If like me you have completely forgotten to make something for Rakshabandhan and wanted to make something completely last minute, I have a very easy cookie recipe and I'm calling it my golden butter recipe because I'm using haldi and it's going to be super delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Start with soft butter in a bowl. So this trend of adding haldi into everything, we call it golden milk, turmeric latte, so golden cookies, turmeric cookies. So I'm going to add my haldi or my turmeric powder to my butter and start whisking. It's nice, beautiful golden yellow. We're going to add our sugar. Continue to whisk. Now, if you want to make these cookies without the haldi, please feel free to do so. You can add vanilla, you can add cinnamon, lemon juice, lemon zest, still works. Next up, now I'm going to add my flour. It's been sifted before. And I'm going to use a spatula to just mix this together. And I'm going to do this with my hands now. Okay, and slowly it's going to start coming together as a dough. So now this recipe has no leavening agents. It's a simple butter cookie. Once we blend everything together, we mix it together, it becomes a dough. We're going to freeze it. So we're going to roll this out, we're going to freeze it, and maybe after 30 minutes to an hour, we'll chop it up and we'll bake it. Now, to make this more exciting, I'm going to add some white chocolate and mix it in. To freeze these cookies, what I'm going to do is just take some cling wrap, transfer my dough onto this, and just roll it and cut it off. Okay. Now, just want to shape this nicely, make it a nice log. You can make it a square log, you can make it round. And then just pop it in the freezer. So now my cookie is out of the freezer. It's quite hard, as you can see. And we're just going to cut it into squares. There's chunks of white chocolate inside, so your shape might get a bit distorted, but it'll taste good nonetheless. Now, so this is my favorite part. Till now, it tastes exactly like haldi wala doodh. What I'm going to do is just dip it a little bit in milk, just add a little bit of milk to it. Just like this on the sides, just a little bit. And then dip it in pistachio. It's like pista encrusted golden butter cookies. And just place it on a tray like this. Okay, our cookies are out of the oven and they smell delicious. I'm just going to place them here. You can put this in a box to gift your brother or your sister. So this is my super simple recipe for Rakshabandhan. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's got white chocolate, it's got haldi, it's got pistachio, and it's absolutely delicious. Happy baking!